Welcome to DIY Tech. Foxtel iq5 Setup and Installation Guide. Unbox your Foxtel iq5. If hard drive supplied, remove the rubber port protector from the underside of the iQ. Connect the hard drive by pushing the iQ downwards on top of the hard drive until you feel it firmly lock into place. Connect cables to the iQ and your TV. Make sure your TV, and existing Foxtel box, if you have one, is turned off at the wall. Don't have a satellite dish? Disregard cable A and install remaining cables to connect via the internet. Insert the batteries into your remote control. Turn on the power and follow the prompts when they appear on your TV screen. After guided setup, you may be prompted to enter the default pin. This is 1234. To change the pin, go to Parental Controls under Settings. Thanks for watching.